Hey there, this is Mike, and I want to thank you for checking out this video on my bonus bundle and review of Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success. If you haven't heard about ChatGPT, or if you have, but just don't know how to get started or exactly what it's all about, Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success is a great way to get started in your understanding of how it is and what it can and cannot accomplish when you use ChatGPT. Plus, it comes with PLR rights, so not only can you learn from the 20 training videos and PDF document for your use, but you can also use it as is or edit it and sell it as your own by the terms of the license granted when you purchase. This is a complete package which includes opt-in page, sales page, 4 ChatGPT related articles that you can use for blog posts or whatever, and 7 email swipes to invite people to purchase your Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success from you. They also include access to software that you can use to make edits and even install your buy buttons. It's a complete product and sales funnel in a box that you can begin making money with online by introducing a great tutorial on how to get started with ChatGPT. I've included 24 premium bonuses that you'll be able to access right inside the Warrior Plus product access page. These awesome bonuses pair well with Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success and cover important areas related to making money online, such as AI, email marketing, list building, lead generation, video marketing, and also software for generating pop-ups, membership sites, and working with graphics. Even at bargain basement prices, my 24 bonuses are worth at least $500. I'm including all of these amazing bonuses in order to ethically bribe you to purchase Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success from my affiliate link, because there's a little competition among many of us to see who can get on the leaderboard by selling the most copies. At around $10 retail per sale, I don't plan on getting rich from this promo, but I'd sure like to be getting the bragging rights to being able to say that I'm on the top 10 of the leaderboard while helping those who want to get to know more about ChatGPT. Also, please note that I also purchased Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success and checked it out prior to recommending it to you. I try to do this with all the products that I recommend to others. I feel it's only fair. I truly believe that my Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success bonuses are the very best you're going to find. And since I also bought this product, my Turn ChatGPT into Second Income Success review is certainly based upon actually experiencing all that this product has to offer. So I hope you'll check this out by going to MikeMosspan.net/JT ChatGPT income. That's MikeMosspan.net/JT ChatGPT income. And I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Check it out.